And welcome to another adult beverage review. Today we're doing Woodwind Empire Bicycle Picnics Golden Ale. It's 4.9% alcohol by volume, and it's 16 on the IBU meter. So 16. So the bitterness is not going to be bitter. The last video we talked a lot about their brewery and stuff and how they're in their community, helping their community and everything, which a lot of Boise breweries tend to be doing. Tried to get more information about this beer, but it's not even on the beer's website. It's not available in stores right now, so it makes me think that it's either been discontinued or it's just one of their seasonal summer beers. They do have other ales, and there was another bicycle picnic, but wasn't the same beer. So we're gonna crack this open and try it. See, has this sort of golden brown, almost like a pilsner. Looks almost like a pilsner. Smells very citrusy. Very, very citrusy. Get some wheatgrass smell too, like some grass type of smell. It's a weird taste, not because of the bitterness, because there's really no bitterness, but it's like the sip was almost like water. Got a little pineapple that time and stuff. This is they say progress through beer. It's from Boise. Like I said, I tried to do some research on it and couldn't really find it. And it wasn't even on their website. I mean, their website is very vague right now because they did close their tap room. So they just basically rely on their distributor to distribute the beer and stuff. And local bars. But this on an everyday occasion. I mean, it's a pretty good ale. 4.9% is pretty low for an ale. So it's like a light ale, just about. I mean, they call it an ale. It doesn't look like an ale. It doesn't taste like an ale. But it's made like an ale, so it's an ale. I mean, it's a very good beer and stuff. Like I said, it's more like a pilsner, if you ask me. Getting really no scent from the can. Now that was a little bit bitter, the first sip out of the can. Like we said before, the can tends to the aluminum values in the can tend to ruin the flavor of the beer. That's why they always recommend pouring it in a glass. Not that you can't drink it out of the can. I mean, it tastes good too. Okay, that time got a little hint of grass and pineapple. A little bit of orange too. The orange is definitely coming in out of the can. That was just a straight orange sip right there. I couldn't find what kind of hops they're using on this. It's hit or miss. I mean, I don't know the hops or the barley that they are using. Um, like I said, this beer might have been discontinued and replaced with something else. Woodwind Empire, just basically changed ownership within the last year, and they're changing up a lot of stuff. They're focusing on Boise. I mean, their beer is available in Oregon and parts of Alaska, but they're mainly just focusing on local Boise beer. I happened to pick this up when I was in Boise, and it's a very good beer. I am enjoying it. So, but like I said, I really wouldn't call this an ale, especially at 4.9%. But it's made like an ale. It uses the brewing process is the ale brewing process. It's just tastes like a pilsner, has alcohol volume like a pilsner, looks like a pilsner, but it's not a pilsner. Anyway, I will see you on the flip side. Cheers.